Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Maya and you know what time of the year it is. You already know. You already know your girl's graduating. Your girl's graduating. It's been a time in high school, but now I'm going. It's over. I'm ecstatic. And today I'm going to be showing you my graduation look. So if you'd like to see how that turns out, please keep watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. You know, spread some graduating love. And with that, let's get started. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I just want to say it's really hot in my room. And I don't have the AC on because I just wanted to talk a bit. I'm going to be doing a blue look to match the flowers on my dress. I also took off my gown because it was white and I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to make this a calm look. I'm not going to make it a natural look, but I'm going to make it calm, you know? I already filmed this video 2 days ago, I believe, and I didn't like how the makeup came out, so now I have to do it again. Yeah, the last time I did it, the look was way too extravagant. I don't know. I was feeling some type of way towards it. I'm gonna set that with Milani powder, and I already did my brows, as you can see. I think I said that already, but it's fine. Okay, see, I had my hair half up, half down, but I think we're gonna have to go all up because I'm breaking a sweat. I know I keep bashing this palette, but I really want it to work. I might just use that blue just to try it out. And if it doesn't come up, then I'll just use the blue in here, which is fine. I'm gonna use this shade, but like really lightly, I'm gonna use it as a transition. And I'm gonna put the blue shade on now. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corners and blend it a bit inwards. I'm using the shade right here, the darker one. That's not as pigmented. Wait, I forgot I had this palette, the Matte from Matte palette. Do I have a blue in here? Oh my gosh, I do! Look! I forgot I had this palette. You can barely see it. Oh, because I didn't lock the focus. Okay, I'm gonna use that because I want a little more pigment. This is the e.l.f. Matte from Matte palette. Wait, why? Look, why did they already give more pigment than the Picasso palette? I don't know. The OG right now. What I'm gonna do now is cut the crease, the lighter shade of concealer. Not too much, not the entire crease, just like half of it. Alright, and instead of setting that, I'm just gonna go right into the lighter eyeshadow shade. I'm gonna be using the Matte from Matte palette because this is pretty bomb. I forgot I had this, but I'm glad that I do have it now. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm probably gonna mix it with the lightest shade. And then I'm gonna use the brush from before to blend it in a bit to the blue. I'm gonna spray that to set it. And then, ooh, I should blend the top. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Just really lightly, I'm gonna blend that in to the brown one. That was really light. I'm gonna mix it with like a brown or something. Great, now I'm gonna do liner and I'm gonna clean that up. Probably off the camera. I'm gonna prime my face first. My face is really breaking out because my time of the month is coming around, which is sad. Now I'm gonna conceal. Wait, okay. So I was thinking about making this a chit chat, get ready with me, so let's chat. I am so excited to be leaving high school. Like, there are some people I follow on my Finsta, and they're like, I'm sad that I'm gonna be leaving the school. And like I saw this one post someone posted, and it said if you're sad to leave, then there was something worth like valuing there or something. And I read it and I thought, buddy, I'm not sad at all. Get me right out right now. Yeah, so I'm not gonna miss high school at all. Like, goodbye. And then this summer, I'm going to try and get a summer job, you know? Like, I applied places and see if I get hired. That'd be great. I only have one summer reading book this summer, which is wild because I took honors in AP English all throughout high school, and every year I had to read 2 summer reading books. Right now I only have to read 1, and that is a good read right there. Anyway, also this summer I am, because college is what was that? Because college is coming up, I want to hang out with some people that I know I probably will never see again. As in people, I mean guys. I don't know if I should be telling you guys this, but I'm gonna tell you anyway so you can be up to date. My boyfriend and I broke up because of, you know, like college coming up and whatnot. So when I say hang out with people over the summer that I'm not gonna be able to see again, I mean like dates. I'm trying to go on dates over the summer. Hit me up. Just don't hit me up. I'm gonna be going in with this Maybelline foundation, and right now, since I don't have any Q-tips, I'm using this disposable lip gloss wand. That's my new foundation, and I have to get some more Q-tips. My goodness. Yeah, so that's what my summer's looking like. Reading, hopefully working, and a nice lunch date or two. What's really cool is that my best friend is only going to be an hour away from me. I'm staying in state, and she's going out of state, but she's also commuting. But she's also only going to Pennsylvania, so it's not that far. The first year anniversary of my channel is coming up. That's wild. Now I'm going to contour. I'm actually looking at the mirror behind the camera. If you're wondering why I'm just staring like straight into space. And I'm going to highlight and then set that. Some of it we're going to set with the Milani powder, some of it with the soft focus. And I'm going to put some sculpting powder on my cheekbone. I did not say this sculpting powder. Ow, my eye. There's powder in my eye. It really brings out the melanin. Brings it right out. Using the e.l.f. blush kit, I'm going to be using the shade right here. I'm probably mixing it with this. Taking it on the cheeks. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with Glow Up from Colourpop. Now back to the eyes. I'm going to be going back in with the Mad for Matte palette, brown shade, not that one, this one, and take that under the lower lash line. Okay, so this brush has a little bit of glue on it already, so whatever happens, happens. Alright, for the inner corner, I'm going to put some more Glow Up. And actually, I wanted to put white eyeliner on top of the black eyeliner. Okay, I'm probably going to do it. I'm going to use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and this little eyeliner brush. Okay, I'm going to go clean that up because that was trash. And and I'll be back. So I did what I did with the eyeliner, and then I went in with the Morphe Picasso palette. I'm opening my eyeliner, I don't know why. I went with the Picasso palette and I set the eyeliner with the white eyeshadow, and now I'm going to put on lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using these e.l.f. lashes. They broke. You know what? They didn't break. They didn't break. This is what happened. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I thought they broke. A while ago, when I was putting on these lashes, I cut them too short and I was like, oh man. And so I went back and I took a piece that I cut off and I just glued it next to the eyelash to make it a little longer. And that's what happened. That's exactly what happened. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably use a different set of lashes at graduation, but it's fine. It's not fine. Hold on, let me take off these end pieces, and I'm actually just gonna double up on lashes because y'all are tripping. I'm gonna use one of my Wish pair of lashes. I'm gonna use this bottom one right here. And while those are drying, I'm going to be putting mascara on my lower lashes. That one's a little close to my inner corner because it's actually stabbing me, but we're just gonna ignore it for now. The blue is fading from my crease, so I'm just gonna hype it up a bit. Oh, lips! That would have been a train wreck. Alright, the graduation mood is just clear lip gloss. My hair is going to be curled, most likely, and my edges will be done, so they won't be looking all frizzy like this, but you know. Thank you so much for watching my video. You know, this is the end of a chapter for me and the beginning of a new one. I'm so excited to be graduating and going to college in a few months. That's great. If I have pictures from graduation, I will put them up in the end of the video. Make sure you share this video with anyone who needs makeup ideas, makeup help, or just a makeup-aholic like me, who's just a graduating makeup-aholic like me. Be sure to like the video if you did enjoy it, and thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video.